so slippery. Come on. Dang. Jeez. How'd you get it there? Wow. Oh, whoa, oh God, oh God. This is bad. This is so bad. Oh man, I hope he's okay. Dang. Literally, I have no brakes, you guys. Look at that. There's another car right there. It's crazy. Look at those roads. Literally covered in ice. Wow. Hope they're okay. Look at those roads. Look, oh, look at that. That guy slipped. Whoa. Wow. Deadly conditions, freezing temperatures. Look at those roads. Wow. Look at those roads though. They're pretty scary. Wow, these roads are ice, pure ice. Look at that. Some scary stuff because, you know, it's cold out. It's freezing out. I hope they're okay.
I don't see any cracks in the windshield. It doesn't look like it rolled it or anything. Good.
Should we call somebody or?
Yeah, maybe we. Well, the two whoever walked out of here, is it still alive?
Yeah.
Probably.
There's still food in it too.
Yeah, must have happened recently. I came from this way and I didn't see anybody walking. But probably wouldn't hurt to give somebody a call. I got my phone.
Okay. You gotta have a safety kit, okay, a car kit where you can have, you know, your safety stuff, your food, your lighters, your blankie, extra gas maybe. Well, I don't know if you want to put gas in your truck, but you know, your essential emergency stuff that you may need when you break down. Because this happens all the time. Cars in ditches, it happens all the time, you guys. Oh my gosh, that car just went into that ditch right there. Oh wow. Hope she's okay. Holy crap. Didn't even see that car. Oh. -6. Man. Plus the windshield. Feels like -30 out here, you guys. Freezing outside. Man, traffic is unreal. Oh look. There's a car in a ditch. Wow. Look at that. Hope he's okay. Yeah, you're stuck. You're not getting out of there. Man, it's unreal. The roads are slippery. Traffic is unreal. Look at that. Barely moving. Wow. Oh shit. There we go. Got that big